Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating.
DAOswappers is a unique affiliate program powered by Eraswap, in order to bring more people on board on Eraswap. It is an affiliate program for Eraswap community members for influencing, building a circle of users, increasing usage, and user base of Eraswap ecosystem for rewards. Who are DAOswappers? DAOswappers are the modern age active members who help in mentoring, referencing, community development, registering their social connections as active users on Eraswap ecosystem platforms, and disrupting the current peer-to-peer exchange industry. Who can be DAOswappers? Anybody can be DAOswappers and can create multiple DAOswappers further. DAOswappers are affiliate program members who can put their best efforts for long-term rewards by onboarding active users on multiple platforms of ES. Roles of DAOswappers. The major roles of DAOswappers are adding their community of friends, family, peers, colleagues, network, etc. to Eraswap ecosystem for day-to-day peer-to-peer exchange of services. DAOswappers can work and contribute from anywhere depending on their time and availability. The role of DAOswappers is to be active among their circle of Eraswap community to help their circle get better value for time, lead from the front and be a role model for everyone. DAOswappers will use referral code to add active members and utilize their strength and potentials to keep the users active on platforms. Now let's see how does DAOswappers work. How to log into DAOswappers. Step 1. Go to DAOswappers website and click on the Connect to Wallet button, and choose by Eraswap Life. Step 2. You'll be redirected to Eraswap Life. Click on Load Wallet, choose anyone, key store file / access through mnemonic / private key. If you don't have Eraswap Wallet, you can create it. Step 3. There are 3 ways to load your Eraswap Wallet. If accessing through key store file, then choose the key store file, enter the password, click on Load Wallet. If accessing through private key, then enter your private key, click on Access Wallet. If accessing the mnemonics, then enter your mnemonics, click on Access My Wallet. After logging in successfully, you will be redirected to DAOswappers. Whenever you bring new users, make sure you have already completed your KYC and then complete their KYC as well on KYC DApp, because then only it will be counted. NRT month closes on the 12th of every month and date keeps going forward depending on the leap years. You can also check the NRT month close date directly on Eraswap Blockchain Explorer. You can see DAOswappers influence chart on homepage. So if one introducer brings less than 5 users on board in a month, they will still remain under the white belt, but if they get 5 or more than 5 users on board, then they are promoted to yellow belt, and so on, based on influence chart. Since you do not have to follow any binary system here, hence even your indirect will be counted, and you will have freedom to grow your DAOswappers tree like a tree where any branches can have more branches and so on. For example, you have team of 100 and they each got 60 in a month, which means 6,000 users will be your indirects and you will be promoted to red belt and receive indirect incentives. Note, Eraswap ecosystem consists of many interlinked platforms. Each individual platform's incentives can differ, and the percent of incentive will differ from platform to platform. For example, if you are in green level, 52% of total team earnings goes to you, since you're their introducer. DAOswappers is a unique affiliate program where you get promoted on the DAOswappers influence chart and your level keeps increasing based on the number of new active members you get on board, directly or indirectly. What is leadership bonus? Leadership bonus starts from brown belt. Means if you are a green belt and your team has many members and from them there is one who is also a green belt, so 52% of DAOswappers pool will go to him and his team, even if you two are green. And, let's assume you also have an orange belt in your team, then 40% of his DAOswappers pool will be deducted from your 52% DAOswappers pool, meaning, you get 12% as your team incentive on that specific business done by your team member. Let's see another example for more clarification. If you are a green belt and your team member is yellow belt, then he will get 20% from DAOswapper's pool and you will get 52/20 means 22%. But, when you become brown belt and beyond that, which is red and black belt, then you get a fixed leadership bonus that is 4% for brown and red belt and 2% for black belt. For example, you are brown belt and your team member is also a brown belt, so complete 72% of DAOswapper's pool will go to him, but you'll get a fixed 4%. So basically, when someone starts fresh under you from white belt, they give you incentives all along from their work, but also when they reach your level like brown belt, still you get incentive from their business, which is 4% for brown and red belt and 2% for black belt. What do DAOswappers do? DAOswappers has to ensure that all their referred users using the Eraswap platform transactions of 1,000 to 100 Eraswap tokens each NRT month. DAOswappers has to keep on introducing new active members directly or indirectly to get promoted on DAOswappers influence chart. Every DAOswappers will have a unique referral link to be shared. DAOswappers have to ask their contacts to use their referral link to join as a user of multiple ES platforms. Let's have a quick look at other information available on DAOswappers. You can check DAOswappers FAQs by clicking on the FAQ tab. Click on questions. You can check answers available for frequently asked questions. You can check DAOswappers announcements by clicking on the announcements tab. You can check DAOswappers all-time rewards by clicking on the historic rewards tab. These rewards are distributed before when Eraswap network blockchain was not launched. Now let's see the very important functionality of DAOswappers. Click on DAOswappers dashboard option. Followings are the things you check on this page: First, my level. Here you see the current level, belt, of DAOswappers. You can check DAOswappers influence chart for better understanding. Second, shortfall for your next level, belt. This is applicable only when your KYC, minimum level 1, is approved on KYC DApp. Third, your KYC status. Fourth, your current team size. Fifth, my directs, total directs joined under your team. Sixth, my indirects, total indirects joined under your team. Seventh, volume for the month, shows your volume achieved for the current month, and you can also check here your volume target. Eighth, team volume, you can check your total team volume done, by clicking on the fetch volume link. Ninth, no, of KYC approved members in a tree on KYC DApp, shows the total number of KYC approved under a tree. 10th, no, of KYC approved in tree this NRT month, shows the total number of members KYC approved in a tree for current NRT month. 11th, DAOswappers join date, shows the date you have joined DAOswappers. 12th, date of KYC done, shows the date you have completed KYC on KYC DApp and also on DAOswappers by clicking button of Resolve My KYC on dashboard's top right corner, as shown in screenshot. The introducer must ensure that the new user must complete his KYC on KYC DApp, and post-approval of KYC must visit DAOswappers to resolve his KYC to be part of the affiliate program of Eraswap ecosystem. After you clicked on resolving your KYC, it might still keep showing you resolve your KYC option, which is applicable to users if applying for level 2 KYC as sellers on other dapps of the platform. How to withdraw definite and indefinite incentives of DAOswappers on dashboard. What are definite and indefinite incentives? Definite incentives are incentives for active members which can be withdrawn immediately post it appears in the dashboard. Indefinite incentives for active members are those incentives that will reflect in the dashboard but can be withdrawn only on the next NRT, newly released, mined tokens, release of Eraswap network. To withdraw definite and indefinite incentives, user must be an active minimum of 100 self-volume in Eraswap ecosystem. In the case of definite incentives, if you are active on third day of an RT release, then you are losing your DAOswappers incentives of the first 2 days which came before you got active. Here you can check total DAOswappers definite incentives. Click on show all link. Here you can see details of transaction, timestamp, platform address, direct or indirect, amount, ES, reward ratio, liquid/WES/stake. You can scroll the bar and also can check all rewards by paginations by clicking on next or previous buttons. How to withdraw Day Swappers definite rewards. There are 3 types of rewards. A. Liquid reward. B. WES rewards and C. Staking rewards. These earned incentives/rewards you can withdraw in the same current NRT month. Day Swappers incentives are credited only to active Day Swappers. If you are active on the 3rd day of the NRT release, then you are losing your Day Swappers incentives of the first 2 days which came before you got active. Active members are those users with a minimum transaction of 1,000 to 100 Eraswap tokens each calendar month. Day Swappers has to keep on introducing new active members directly or indirectly to get promoted on Day Swappers influence chart. Every Day Swappers will have a unique referral link to be shared. Click on the withdrawal button. You will see the withdraw definite earnings pop-up window. In the select staking contract option, select staking contract from the drop-down list of your contract address in which you wish to make the withdrawal. You can check and note down your same staking contract balance before making withdrawal. Select month drop-down option, choose the NRT month for which you want to withdraw of indefinite incentives. In the select type drop-down, choose the option to withdraw your ES portion in liquid, 0% is time limit, or WES, 100% is time limit, type you wish to withdraw out of 2 options. Press the withdrawal button to withdraw. Your total withdrawal of definite incentive amount can be seen in respectively in your Eraswap Life wallet balance. Native ES and prepaid ES would have been added to your Eraswap Life wallet. How to withdraw Day Swappers indefinite rewards. Indefinite incentive can be calculated and decided every month end of the NRT as per Day Swappers belt and slabs calculation, of 1 LT and KYC DApp. These earn indefinite incentive/rewards you can only withdraw in the next NRT month. 3 types of rewards: A. Liquid rewards, ES native; B. WES rewards and C. Staking rewards. Here you can see total Day Swappers indefinite incentives. Click on the withdrawal button. In the select staking contract option, select staking contract from the drop-down list of your contract address in which you wish to make the withdrawal. Select month drop-down option, choose the NRT month for which you want to withdraw of indefinite incentives. In the select type drop-down option, choose the option to withdraw your ES indefinite incentive portion in liquid, 0% is time limit, or WES, 100% is time limit, or restake, 225% is time limit, type you wish to withdraw out of 3 options. Press the withdrawal button to withdraw your respective month's total withdrawal incentive amount. Your withdrawn Day Swappers indefinite incentive addition, if any, can be seen in respectively in your Eraswap Life wallet balance. Native ES and prepaid ES would have been added to your Eraswap Life wallet. Your withdrawn stakes from Day Swappers indefinite withdrawals, if any, and your new is time limit, if any, is now added in the staking contract you have selected for withdrawal. Here you can see total rewards of Day Swappers direct and indirect for this month, direct and indirect for all time. Here you can see your introducers details, your Day Swappers incentives volume under your tree. You can move the scroll bar to see more details of incentives volume. To send invitation to new community members to join your network, copy, use your Day Swappers referral link invitation and build your network on Eraswap network. These social media referral link buttons will work only if you are logged in on any of them at the time of sharing the link. Let's have a quick look at other information available on Day Swappers. Click on genealogy option. You can see here your members under your tree as per status: KYC approve, KYC status unknown, KYC not approved, active, for the month, inactive, for the month. You can also see their other details by clicking on the Show Details button. You can simply click on the Sign Out option to log out from Day Swappers. DaySwappers is one affiliate program for the entire Eraswap ecosystem. Hence, once you have resolved your KYC on DaySwappers, you will be eligible for all direct and indirect incentives, as a seller or buyer for all the platforms built on Eraswap ecosystem and are running on Eraswap blockchain network. Once you become a DaySwappers, there are lots of opportunities because Eraswap decentralized ecosystem consists of 14 plus middlemen free platform. Each platform is diverse and gives a different amount of incentives from which you can benefit, and there will be always something new for you to promote and bring new users on board.